Hello guys, good morning, afternoon, evening, whenever I make my across this video. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I take care of my natural hair for massive hair growth. Yeah. So first thing, I took my lip tea, very important to me. So please, if you have natural hair like me, watch this video. Before you maintain your hair, before you apply any product on your hair, please, first thing you should do, apply water first. Okay, it must be wet. So that's what I'm doing right now. As you can see, after spraying water on my hair, then I applied my avocado hair growth oil that I made myself. Okay, you can use any oil that works for you. Okay, this is mine and it's working for me very, very well. So I massaged my hair with the oil, then I apply my leave-in conditioner. Okay, that's the last thing you should add. Leave-in conditioner is nothing really, really serious. Okay, if you want to have healthy hair, you can just follow this simple procedure. Okay, it's very, very simple. It's not going to take much of your time. Okay, that's just it. And I'm done. I'm done just like this. After massage, I will leave it. You can choose to massage it twice in a week. Okay, twice in a week. That if you ask me, that's okay. So yeah, that's all for now, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Ciao ciao. See you on my next one. Bye.